Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com. In this video, I'll give you a brief introduction about HTML. So, first, what is HTML used for? HTML is used to present information on the internet. Okay, what you see when you view a page on the internet is your browser's interpretation. I have here Yahoo India page open. So here you are seeing some pictures, text, okay, links and whatnot, right? This is your browser's interpretation of HTML. Okay, I'm using Google Chrome here and my Google Chrome is interpreting this HTML. Okay, and it is showing this information or data to me. Okay, and this data is present on the internet, right? And we use HTML to present information on the internet, right? So that's what HTML is used for. And what does it stand for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, Hypertext Markup Language. First, let me explain what hypertext is. Hypertext is text displayed on your screen which can be accessed by a mouse click or a key press. Okay, text displayed on your screen which can be accessed by a mouse click or key press. Okay, let's take this example again. See here, it's a link. I can access it using mouse click. Okay, if I click this, I'll go to this link. Okay, 5 worst things to do after a run, right? So I can also use my keyboard to access the information, right? Access this text, okay? And apart from text, hypertext will also display things like images, tables, frames, okay, and videos and whatnot. Alright, so that's hypertext for you guys. Hypertext is text displayed on your screen which can be accessed by a mouse click or key press. Okay. And what is markup language? Markup language is language which is used to structure data and present it to the user. Okay. Markup language will structure the data and it will present it to the user, so that the user can understand it easily. All right, so that's hypertext markup language. And what is needed? Okay, let me delete this. To write HTML code, all you need is text editor, and browser. Okay, text editor and a browser, that's all you need. Okay, we need text editor to write HTML code in. Okay, and we need browser to see the output. All right, so if you are using Microsoft operating system like I am using one, so you can go to your programs, accessories and notepad. Okay, go to your notepad, open it. So this is your text editor in Microsoft operating system. And if you are using like Mac operating system, you can use TextEdit. All right, so that's text editor. And I have here Google Chrome, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox as my browsers. Okay, I usually use Google Chrome. So to write HTML code, all you need is text editor. Okay, and to see the output of that code, you need a browser. Okay, that's all you need. So that's all guys in this video. And one more thing, HTML is very easy and fun to learn. Okay, and in the next video we'll see what HTML tags are. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video.